a lot of people kind of take advantage of you and, oh, buy my course and I'll show you the way, or take my training, and you're spending all this money to try and find the right thing for you. I want to be able to help people for free. I've always been good into business. I always wanted to be my own boss. So I've done a lot of things at a young age. I see a lot of people making money in affiliate marketing. And since it's all online and you could work remotely anywhere, I think that would be best for me. I want to be able to raise chickens and have our own garden and just live off the land and not have to worry. Yeah, I want to be able to do that and have my own place and not have to worry about, when the economy is bad like this. So I'm just looking for a source to get me there. You know what I mean?
Totally. If someone were to say, Carrie, I believe in you, I am going to go ahead and give you all the money you need, what would you do with your time? What project would you do? What business would you do? Would it still be affiliate marketing, or would it be something a little different? Or what does that look like for you?
That's a good question. I've always thought of trying to get there and just finding things to get me to that point that I never thought of. What do I really want to do? See, right now, I like helping people. Like that's a good thing to do. We're helping someone in Africa right now. Doing a labor of love always, gives you that warm feeling, and that's always good. What would I do? I've always just wanted to have my own business. I just wanted to be financially free.
Affiliate marketing is great, and there's so many different products out there. You could totally find stuff that you're like, this really makes me happy, and this is super exciting, and I have the product, and I love the product, and that could totally be your vessel. So with your affiliate marketing, you're just having a landing page, like a sales page, so you're not on any of the content?
No, not yet.
I wonder if that could be a thing where you're doing your thing, you're building like your own personal brand of yourself, talking about your earrings and all this stuff that you like to do and what you're doing in your life. And then you have all these products and services available to the people you want to serve, right? Because one thing that I learned is my last business was teaching people how to get funding as well, but it was really cookie cutter. And it was like, here's how to get funding, here's what you have to do, blah, blah, blah. And I ran ads and it just didn't work. But now what I've done is I've switched it up and I've said, who do I want to serve? What kind of people would I love to be in a room with? And then I target those people. And now I'm, on camera talking to people and interviewing people, asking people questions, brainstorming with people. And so it's really working now because I'm putting my heart into it, You
know what? You brought to my mind what I wanted to eventually do. I want to be able to help people like myself find their place. You know what I mean? Because it was hard for me to find where I fit in, to find my footing. That's why I've done all these businesses. I've done, like I told you, the network marketing and selling bags and jewelry and all this stuff. But for young people like myself, because there's a lot of people making money on the line, a lot of young people. And I was trying to find my way. How do I get in? How do I do this? And a lot of people kind of take advantage of you and, oh, buy my course and I'll show you the way, or take my training, and you're spending all this money to try and find the right thing for you. I want to be able to help people for free. You know what I mean? Like young women or men like myself, they want to get into something like maybe affiliate marketing. I can show them for free because I know how to get a free domain. I know how to get the free websites. They can learn WordPress. I can show them like tutorials of how to do it for free so they can get an understanding how it works. But in the free training, there'll also be things that they're going to need, and I could be an affiliate to those things.
Yeah, totally. And just let them know straight up. It's like, hey, I could charge money for this course and show you how to do this, but here's what happened to me. Here's my story. And because of that, I want to give you this for free, but just know that there are links that are in this course that I will make money from when you purchase that you'll need. And that's a great way to do things like for Kajabi or ClickFunnels and stuff like that, where it's a monthly recurring dollar amount, because all you have to do is sign up a certain amount of people to one of those services, and you're going to be making recurring revenue every single month.
Like this big fee up front that a lot of these, gurus do.
People see their website as like a bill, as like a, keep the lights on, keep the website on. And so if you're selling things like that, then it's recurring revenue. It's something that people don't want to turn off. It's almost a necessity for people. And, it matches perfectly with what you're doing. And if you have people going through a course and they are putting themselves through the process, they're going to have to buy those things in order to move forward. You can say like, okay, pause the video, go to this website, purchase this thing. And then once you do, then I'll walk you through on screen share how to set it up.
Right.
And that is very exciting to me. One thing that I would challenge you to consider, which you don't have to do this, but maybe charge people like $10 or something like that, or $5, and just say the reason I'm charging you $5 and not charging you nothing is because, the majority of people do not. Yeah, exactly. You get it. Commitment. You might even say, I'll refund you your $5 if you finish the course or something like that. But, there's all kinds of ways to do it. Maybe, you don't, or maybe that money goes towards ads or something like that. Or you can do it for free. But I really like that idea, and it sounds exciting. It just sounds like something that's realistic and sustainable. It's a cool model. I think it's really good. And, people are going to resonate with you, right?
Yeah, because there's not a lot of people that look like me. There's usually men in that field. So, they can relate to her,
Exactly, yeah. So if you want to get more people in the door, having something that you do sell so that your ads are free, basically, right? Okay. Because if you run an ad to a landing page where you sell like a PDF or a few videos or something like that, and you charge $7 to $30 for something, then if you run $30 of ads per day and then you make one sale for $30, then your ad cost was $0 for that day, and you can keep running $30 worth of ads every day. And then maybe one day you get 2 sales. And they're like, cool, I'm going to take that $60 and put that into ads. So I'm spending $60 a day. And as long as you keep getting 2 sales of that little $30 thing, then you're getting more and more people in the door, which is most likely how you found out about me as well. Because I give out my phone number and I offer free consultations. I don't try to sell anything on these either. I just want to help people, but there still is a self-liquidating offer on a landing page that allows me to sustain this message and keep helping people.
Right.
You're a thoroughbred entrepreneur because I can see you're like building the future in your head. You're like over here and you're closing your eyes. You're like, okay, it's going to be like this, and I'm going to have that over there, and this is going to and I just resonate with that, So first of all, I have to say that's awesome. You're going to do it. Like, you've educated yourself so much about how this stuff works. And it's just a matter of time now, right? It's like, okay, move this over here, and that didn't work. Okay, let's test it like this. And okay, that's working. Let's do more of that. And I'm doing the same thing, and I finally, after maybe like 30 ads, found a winning ad on YouTube where I give the phone number away. So now I'm scaling that one. Wow, but it took a long time to figure it out. I had image ads and other video ads and just trying things. And sooner or later, it's like, oh man, this is working.
It's funny that you said that, because since I've been through a lot of ads, I get a lot of these ads, they target you. So I'm getting a lot of like affiliate marketing ads, business ads, all these things. Mm-hmm. And I kind of just like skip it. What stuck out to me about you is that you gave away your phone number. I was like, what? You're like, I'll help you, whatever you're thinking about, whatever business. I'm like, what? He's going to help me? What? And you gave me your phone number. I was like, okay. Let me see. I'll write it down.
That's so cool. Thanks for that reflection. I appreciate that. But I think you got a winning thing there, like you tell your story, you offer something for free, and so many people that are getting targeted like you, I know that the people who see these ads are burnt out. Everyone is trying to take their money. You have an ad, you're like, I got swindled out of thousands of dollars buying courses, and so I'm giving a course away completely free. And that's your first 5 seconds of your ad before on YouTube, And then you're like, this happened to me, this happened to me, this happened to me, and I just want to help people for free. And so I found a way to make money without having to charge you for my course. If you're interested and want to do the same, click the link and check out my free course. And then from there, you're on another page. You're like, here's the course. You're going to need to buy some things. In the process, I get paid for that. Here's the free course. And in the process, I'm going to teach you how to do what I'm doing too. You can either charge for your course or you can do what I do and give it away for free.
Sounds good. Yeah. It would take some training or learn all that you're telling me.
Which parts?
To set up the course.
Well, the course could just be you on camera going through the steps, create an outline. step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Here's what you have to buy. You have to buy these different products, and teaching them how to set it up, maybe doing some screen shares of how to set certain things up. Right. Just teach them everything you know. Imagine that you had a person sitting next to you that wanted to start an online business, and just walk them through the process step by step on video.
What if I did the videos, like nobody's here, I'm just doing like a practice run, or just, running through it, and I do it myself, and I just save it if it's good, and I just keep those in my portfolio?
Yep, 100%. Yeah, I think that you have something really cool. Like I said, you're just like a born entrepreneur. You've been doing it since a teenager. So, keep surrounding yourself with people that cheer you on, and remember that it's just a matter of time, and enjoy the journey. Don't allow yourself to get bogged down, and remember that, you're on an amazing path and you will get there. It's just as long as you stick to it.
Thank you, Nathen. Thanks for having this call with me. It was nice talking to you.
Thanks, Carrie. And make sure to keep me updated. I want to see your course when it's out. And if you need any help, whether it's like motivation or strategy, just reach out.
Thank you so much.
Hey, thanks so much for checking out this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got a lot of value from it. And if you know someone who maybe needs their day brightened up, or someone who's just motivated and driven and wants to make a difference, or needs more advice, or whatever it is, I implore you to copy the link and send this to them. Shoot them a text or an email, or share this on the social media platform that you're on now. I'd really appreciate that. It would give me an opportunity to spread this message further and wider. And if I can help you more, then feel free to go to nathen.tv. That's nathen.tv. I have online courses, I have coaching opportunities, things of that nature, whether it be paid or free. I want to do whatever I can to help you live your best life. And additionally, if you want your own free consultation, I give them out from time to time. Feel free to text me. My phone number is 310-807-1998, and I'll prompt you with what to do from there. So until next time, stay abundant, stay happy, stay motivated, stay driven, stay focused, and all the other beautiful things. Life is beautiful. No regrets on our deathbed. Chat soon. Thanks.